Hi guys, and welcome to my channel, What Came In Today. Today we're going to just do a 5-minute tune-up. This tune-up is so good that I actually use it on any computer that comes in here, even if it's coming for hardware repair. There's no downside to this tune-up, and only thing it does is beneficial to your computer. It doesn't need any tools, it doesn't need any preparation. The tools are already built into your computer. So let's begin. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to open a command prompt, and we have to use elevated permissions, because if you don't, it's going to give you an error. So I'm going to show you now. So we're going to type in cmd. So if I just click open and type in the command sfc scan now, you will be getting this message. Both the commands that we're going to learn today use the same permissions. Okay, so we're going to do this on both the commands. You have to choose the second option, run as administrator. Depending on your computer, depending on your drive that you have, is going to be fairly quick. I learned this command when I used to work at Microsoft. I was working on a client's computer and I tried everything for 3-4 hours. The issue was that the computer worked just fine, except anytime the person tried to play a video in a VLC player, it would be choppy. So I was working on it for 4 hours, and the guy next to me said, "Hey, have you tried this?" I tried it and it fixed it. Since then on, I use it on every computer. Also, it's a great idea whenever you're doing this command, just close everything. Anytime you're doing a tune-up, close every app, every browser that you have open, and that's when you do it. I mean, that's the best way of doing it. But you can still do it. You can do it while you're watching this video. I just, as a matter of habit, I close everything. I did not find any issues. Sometimes it will find an issue and it will tell you, hey, we found some problems and we fixed them. Good idea to restart it before we do the next command. Okay. Now, this didn't find any issues with it, so I'm not going to restart my computer. But if you did, you should. Okay, second command. This is normal. You click on Y. And now we're going to restart the computer. Okay, so we are done with the check-in or fixing the check-in and repairing the C drive. What if you have more than one drive? Let's do that. So you see, I have a USB drive attached to the computer. It's just a Windows installation disk. Let's say this is your second drive. How would you do it? You use the same thing. cmd, run as admin. You do chk dsk/f. Now, if you hit enter now, this would check the C drive, but we want to check the D drive. So let's do the D. So all you do is give it a space, D, colon, enter. So it is now checking the D drive. Since the D drive files are not being used, it doesn't need to restart the computer. And it's finished. It said it found no problems. And that's how you do a tune-up. You can do this at anybody's computer. Like I said, you can do this on a laptop, a desktop, gaming desktop. It doesn't matter. It doesn't matter how old it is. You can just do it. And now remember, this is just a tune-up. This may or may not fix if you have a major issue in your computer. But still a good thing to try on any computer if you can. So I hope this helps you a little bit, and you can try this on a computer that you have, your family's computer, your aunt's computer, your uncle's computer, and it's just this helpful thing to do. So till next time, see ya.